Ah yes, the film loading. The fine balance between grace and rage. And fear not, in this very video you will learn how to correctly load 120mm film into your Mamiya Press 6x7 film back. Step by step, it's super easy. Step 1. Mamiya Press 6x7 film back features a door latch located at the bottom right of your film back. Just give it a pull and the back pops open, ready for you to load your film. Step 2. Unlock both the film spool and take-up spool. Pull down the spool locks located on the bottom of the film back. Next, take out the empty plastic spool from the right side and move it over to the left. This will now serve as your take-up spool. Remember, you load your fresh roll of film on the right and the spare spool becomes the take-up spool on the left. Pop the spool into place and turn the lock to secure it. Step 3. Grab your roll of 120mm film, pop it into the holder and twist the lock until you hear that satisfying click. If it doesn't click, just give it another turn or gentle push until it's locked in place. Next, pull the backing paper across to the take-up spool on the left and slide the end of that paper into the slot in the spool. If the spool is not lined up, use the film advance lever to make things easier. Once the paper is in, advance the film until you spot the double-sided arrow. Match those arrows up with the yellow markers on the film back. When everything is lined up, close the door, secure the latch and advance the lever until it stops. The frame counter should show 1, which means you're all set. You've just loaded your medium format film like a pro into Mamiya 6x7 film back. Step 4. Go on, treat yourself to more film and start the cycle again.